Hi guys! Today we are going to make clothes for toddler doll with foaming sheet. So let's get started. So first of all, take a piece of yellow foaming sheet and stick it to the lower part of the doll. And then try to give it shape like a pen. Don't forget to stick the end. And don't forget to cut the extra part. Now take a thin piece of glitter sheet and make her top. Now take 2 strips of glitter sheet and make some details. Now take 2 more strips of glitter sheet and attach them on the top. Now I'm going to take the last piece of glitter sheet, make her ponytail more stylish. Time for photo shoot, right? I am going to take a black foaming sheet, 2 strips and another strip. Now I am going to shape the first piece of foaming sheet like a skirt. Don't forget to cover the back. Now use the 4th strip for making the top and then make the details. OMG Chloe, you are looking so much fabulous. Oh my god. Yup, I know I'm pretty. Now I'm going to take a blue foaming sheet, a white strip and a wavy strip. And now I'm going to shape the blue part of foaming sheet like a skirt. I'm sticking the white strip on the top with double-sided tape. And now I'm going to decorate the skirt with some wavy lines. I'm going to attach sprinkling stars on the top as well as on the skirt. For making the cap, I am taking a strip of blue foaming sheet and a circle. And stick it like this. Now it's ready for wearing, Sophia. Now I'm going to take a pink glitter sheet, strip of glitter sheet and a pink foaming sheet and giving it a shape of mini skirt. And now for top, I'm taking a pink foaming sheet and a strip of pink foaming sheet and attaching it like this. Ready! Ready for going out. See ya!